Hello everyone, welcome back to my videos. How are you today guys? I hope you always have a wonderful day. So in this video, I would like invite you to accompany me in making a coffee drink that has gone viral before. The name of this coffee is Dalgona Coffe. Have you ever heard the name of this coffee? Surely you have, right? But this time I will make a Dalgona coffee without using a mixer because I don't have mixer. But before going to the videos, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nikadek Meita. People usually call me Meta. And today I will inform you how to make Dalgona coffee without mixer. Alright, no more waiting guys. Let's get straight to the recipe. Well everyone, before going to this step, let me introduce the ingredients and tools we will be using to make this Dalgona coffee. For the ingredients, we have 2 packs of Nescafe Classic coffee, sugar, warm water, ice cube, and ultra milk. And for the tools, we have glasses of water, knife, and tablespoon. Alright, that's all the ingredients and tools. Let's get to this step. For this step, first put 2 packs of Nescafe Classic coffee into a glass. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of warm water. Then stir for 3 to 4 minutes until the mixture becomes thick and brownish. After the mixture is ready, prepare a glass. Then add enough ice cube. Here I have ice cube. It's optional. If you want extra cold, use ice cube, and if you don't want it good, don't use ice cube. And then pour in the ultra milk. After that, take the coffee mixture that we have stirred and place it on top of the milk. Dalgona Coffe is ready to drink. Well everyone, finally, this is the result of my Dalgona coffee. Wow, it's look like really good. But I don't know the taste, so let's try it everyone. It's so really delicious guys. You know coffee latte drinks? Yes, the taste like that. It has a sweetness, it also has a soft texture, and because it contains ice cube, it's taste fresher, especially when enjoy during hot weather. It's really suitable for you guys. I give it 9 out of 10 because I really like this drink. I really like sweet coffee. Okay everyone, this is how to make Dalgona coffee without mixer. I hope my video is useful for you, and don't forget to try it at home too. Thanks for watching. See you!